G'day guys, welcome to Sumo's Projects and welcome to this unboxing video of Aldi's WorkZone Titanium Plus Power Tools range combination kit. I purchased this from Aldi just the other day, and it's amazing what sort of value for money Aldi do give you, especially for those of us who are perhaps DIYers, have occasional use for any particular tools. We're given a very big range of tools here, and that's excellent. And these tools by no means are just average tools. And like Aldi being a German supermarket, I think they would put a little bit of emphasis on putting out a reasonable product. So, and they give a couple of year warranty, so it must mean they're not too bad. So if we have a look in the range of all these power tools, this come in the box. All this equipment is 199 Australian dollars, which I think is about 150 US, and looking around about 100 to 120 euros, and also pounds UK. So you get a lot of equipment for not too much money, and also given a warranty. So what could be better? In the box we get a circular saw. What a great! It comes with a blade setup. Also has a dust port, and it also has some dust port reducers, so fantastic. Also an Allen wrench, along with a bit of a guide for adjusting where your cuts are, so always handy to have that equipment. We have an impact driver, got the battery plugged in, so seems to have plenty of grunt by just the way this feels. Comparing back to years ago when power tools first came out, these are just fantastic, and they've taken leaps and bounds. Even though this is not trade quality, it's still fantastic for what you get. Also have a drill driver that's got 2 speeds. Got your standard sort of light setup, so fast and slow for doing pilot holes, or perhaps just doing some light drilling through stuff. Very handy item to have. So we also get a torch that works beautiful. And how handy is it to have a torch for some scenarios where you might be in a dark area, you just want to shine a bit of light, and that will allow you to then drill a hole or drive a screw in. So really handy addition. So we also get a little angle grinder with a handle that you attach to either left or right hand side. And let's see if this fires. Seems to work nicely, so very happy with that. Get the spanner for putting on your grinding disc onto the angle grinder and then just tightening it down. In the kit we get one of these chargers. I believe this is a fast charging unit. Now the batteries here, they're 4 amp hour batteries. 2 of those are included in the box, and here we can push a little button and a little LED light will come on and let us know that currently we've got 98% charge. So that's straight out of the box. It's a good way to hit the ground running. So these are Samsung batteries. Samsung, well-renowned brand in the world, so we know we're not going to be duped on some sort of quality issues, so good stuff. And as always with Aldi products, really good instruction manuals. They're in colour. They're not just black and white and just give you a rough indication of what it's supposed to be. There's a little bit of literature about the product that you're looking at, and perhaps some of the how to set them up and get them ready for usage. So this is fantastic. This is not a demonstration video by any means, but I will show a few of the tools, just drill a few holes and do a few things like that, and it'll give you a rough impression of what these products are about. So if you enjoy this type of video, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. That shall advise you of upcoming content, and in the future I will be doing a few demonstrations having the Aldi Work Zone tools and putting them through their paces to see how they would possibly compare to other brands out on the market nowadays. So guys, thanks for watching. This is a tool that could be of benefit to you, as I said, if you're a DIYer or someone who just, tinkers around. I think this will be a satisfactory purchase, given that you can buy it in a box set like this, or you may have to buy individual items. Every country has a different type of way they advertise products. So, alright, till the next time, get out in the shed, get outside, make something, have a bit of fun doing it, and I'll catch you on the other side.